Hello, my dear children. Good morning to everyone. How are you all? Okay, good. Children, have you remembered the story which I taught in previous videos? Yeah, good. Let me recall it. Long time ago, there was no animal tamed by human except donkeys. So only donkeys were tamed by human. One day the man was wondering how to carry the load. Then he saw a donkey. He got an idea. He put the load on its back. But the donkey did not react to anything. After the man gave the food, the donkey ate the food. Then at last, the man happily kept the donkey himself. Then, what is the story around the village? The donkey was tamed and famous for its hard work. The people captured the donkey and used it to carry heavy loads. So donkey understood their situation and started to hide deep in the forest. But its hiding is not use. People hunted the donkey and overworked them. All donkeys frightened. Soonly they took decision and they asked help to Hare, who was cunning and clever. Then the head donkey met the hare. The hare told him to inform his friends to meet at the foot of the hill the day after tomorrow. All donkeys went there and they found the hare with whitewash in a huge can. Okay, children, I hope you remembered the story. Let's see what happened next. The donkeys wondered how whitewash could help with their problem. The hare tried to explain it to them, but they seemed quite stubborn. Nobody was willing to be the first to be tested on. Finally, the donkey volunteered and stepped forward. Immediately, the hare set to work. He started painting stripes of whitewash on the donkey's skin. Soon the donkey had black and white stripes instead of being plain black or grey. So children, the donkeys asked questions like that. Is the whitewash will solve the problem? The hare tried to explain, but the donkeys did not want to change their mind. No one came forward. Suddenly, one donkey came forward. Then, as soon as the hare set to work, what is the work? The hare started painting stripes of whitewash on its skin. After the donkey had black and white stripes instead of being plain black or grey. See the odd words meaning, children. Stubborn. Did not want to change their mind. Did not want to change their mind. Volunteered. Came forward to do something. Came forward to do something. The donkeys looked at the donkey that was now painted with white stripes. They admired him. They now wished to look like their friend. They started fighting and scrambling to reach the paint first. The hare warned them to be careful, but the struggling and fighting continued. Then remaining donkeys saw a donkey which was painted with white stripes. They admired him, so they wished to be like it. Suddenly they started fighting and scrambling to reach the paint. The hare warned again and again, but it was no use. They continued their fighting among them. See the odd words meaning, children. Admired. liked greatly, liked greatly, scrambling, rushing, scrambling, rushing. It happened that after a number of donkeys had been painted, one donkey pushed with such force that had stepped into the bucket that contained the whitewash. The whole bucket overturned, emptying all the paint. This was the end of everything. Then the number of donkeys had been painted. One donkey pushed forcefully, then he stepped into the bucket which contained the whitewash. At last, the bucket overturned. There was no paint in it. The remaining donkeys were helpless. The hare told them that he could not help them anymore because it was their fault. Nothing could be done for the rest of the donkeys. The remaining donkeys were helpless. Then the hare told them that he could not help them anymore because they had done the mistake. So the hare couldn't help the rest of the donkeys. That's how zebras got their stripes. They were safe from humans since then. The less fortunate donkeys continued to be domesticated and made to work. At last, the human did not capture the zebras, so they were so safe still now. They captured the less fortunate donkeys and continued to be domesticated. See the hard word domesticated. The meaning is tamed. Domesticated, tamed. Okay, children. So, I hope you understood the story. What is the moral of this story, children? If there is a problem in our life, think differently, be patient, and find a solution. Okay? Next class, we will see the book exercise. Thank you.